carry on in the university, we have learn how to socialize at home. Then when they have come out, this is what they saw in school. So today, one of the things I aim is for us to have a conversation to find out a bit more about, hey, what can we do? Second criteria is that there is a power dynamic. That means there's someone who's a bully and
I think like social media, right? So I think those things are.
Your good friend suddenly, how come you became like very quiet?
Everybody, I always cakap I sependek. And I think also, I also attend the kelas perdana, so he's not in the right place lah. Actually, the autism kids should be in intensive school atau.
Hi, my name is Paul from Help International School. I'm so excited to be here with All About Camping today with wonderful parents, a great group of people to talk about bullying and how do we prevent it, how do we work with our children as we go through this particular topic of bullying.
ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My name's Richard Bailey. I'm a professor at UCSI University in Kuala Lumpur. We've been teaching the kids martial arts, Silat, which is the indigenous Malaysian martial art. They've learned punching, kicking, and they've also been breaking some boards, which is quite exciting. The reason we're doing it is to try and teach them a sense of personal power, that they can control their bodies, they can control what happens to them. People who lack power are vulnerable to bullies. What we want is for them to have a sense of, I can do what I want with my body, and by breaking boards they can do anything, of course.
So my name is Carmen. I am the founder of AACM, All About Camping Malaysia. Today we are at Santai Riverside. We are having a 3 days, 2 nights camping in Janda, Baik. We have actually spent like a few months to preparing this kids workshop and parents workshop for the mental health awareness and anti-bullying workshop for kids and for parents. I would like to explain why this workshop, why have this workshop, why this title has come out. Because recently I saw that it is quite a hot discussion about anti-bullying, about bullying cases also in the society. So I think that it's happened to a lot of kids that alone I wouldn't be able to help much, and myself I don't have any solution. I am a parent, so we have a lot of parents here also in our communities. I don't have any solutions or any possibility to talk about this, and to also find the answer to the right question, how we going to detect if this happened to our kids. This is very important. For me, I think that it's very interesting for us as a parents to understand how to communicate with our kids, and which I am also a bit failed. And so I have communicated with HELP universities and UCSI to come to the experts to come to give a workshop to us. So this workshop means a lot to parents. I believe that nowadays parents, we are busy with our works, busy with many things, that we might also lack of attention to our kids. And how are we going to detect when our kids get bullies at school, or he's the one who bullies, or any mental issue, emotional of our kids that we can detect. How are we going to communicate with our kids? So all this today we have learned with Mr. Paul from HELP University in this workshop. Seriously, after this workshop, I really feel, and I also realize that actually, yes, there's many things that as a parent, as a parent, I didn't do it well. So I also need time to adjust because I'm not perfect. I feel guilty as well after this class. Make me a bit emo. So yes, I'm a very busy parent because I myself also I have a lot of things to do, and most of the time when my son come back home want to talk to me, I was like, don't disturb me first, and then I'm busy with my phone to replying my message or my inquiries of my works, all this. Then after this is the time to eat, is the time I ask him go shower, and then I really completely, then after I have to prepare my other kids. So most of the time I just like avoid the conversation. So and nowadays I feel like become less and less conversation, and I worry. I start to worry. This is what I would like to adjust myself. Also, I hope all the parents also, if in the same situation nowadays, this workshop able to help all of us. It's very important. And this afternoon we have a kids workshop for all the kids to understand also about bullying and about get bullies or bullies people also. I think it's also very important for parents to join and for the kids to understand as well. So this workshop, I would like it after the kids finish our workshop here, they can go to the school and speak out and tell to their friends what they have learned and what they have to do. They need to be hand to hand and be united and help each other. Don't never be shy to tell out. Dare to tell out. It's very, very important. So this might be a small community, a small workshop like this, but I really hope that all the kids, even among us, what we have learned, we can share out to the public. Thank you very much.